What if your surfboard could fit in your car? Your life would be amazing. Too bad your current surfboard barely fits inside your house. It eats bumps and scratches just getting out the door. Don't drive a truck? Well, the first wave you're gonna be surfing is your car's roof. Can't afford crossbars? Say hello to Soft Racks, the rock bottom of surfboard transport. The first ones you buy won't fit. Barnacles! And the ones that do feel about as safe as tying a 7-foot watercraft to a rocket. Hear that rumbling? That's the sound of you living dangerously. What if getting your board to the beach wasn't such a bummer? Introducing NIMBL, the revolutionary folding surfboard that fits in your car. In just under 30 seconds, the NIMBL can be unlocked, folded, and stored safely in your trunk. When it's time to surf, just unfold and you're good to go.
They say the joy of surfing is in the ride. Now your ride to the surf can be a joy too. Back us today and help us bring NIMBL to your shores.
Calm your fins, Kelly Slater. Everybody knows a board needs to be completely smooth. Won't that folding thing mess with the ride?
Actually, the NIMBL rides just like any board. When unfolded, the flush hinge vanishes like the ghost of Davy Jones.
Whoa. But you know what won't disappear? Your keys.
Because NIMBL's got a secure, waterproof pocket built in. Now you can stop hiding your keys the way your poodle hides his bones. It's the Goldilocks of surfboard sizes. Long enough to be beginner-friendly, yet perfect for those soft, mushy days when you just can't get up. On your shortboard. NIMBL makes getting to the beach a breeze, but riding it feels even better. It has a contoured bottom, making it easier to pop up and ride down the line. Performance rails that will grip the wave, and a slight rocker to keep you from nosediving and help punch through the break. NIMBL is made with 316 marine-grade stainless steel. It'll last so long you'll be passing it to your grandkids. The NIMBL might fold in half, but surfing on it leaves you feeling whole. NIMBL is the ultimate beater board you can grab and go. So if you want to fit more surfing in your life, start with a board that fits in your car. Trust us, it's safer in the trunk.
Hurry up, man! It's time to hit the waves!
NIMBL, the folding foamy that fits in your car. Back NIMBL today and start catching waves anytime, anywhere.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Jet, and we're the founders of Aethia Outdoors.
My co-founder and I are both aerospace engineers with a decade of experience designing, building, and managing projects at major aerospace companies.
We had the idea for this concept early last year, and since then we built our first prototype and honed the design through many iterations. We talked to the community and found that a folding foam surfboard adds the most versatility to your surf adventures. But we didn't want to build just any foamy, so we polished NIMBL's shape and features to raise the bar on what it means to surf a soft top.
Up until now, this project has been 100% fully funded by the US Bank of us. We have skated the game because we truly believe that everyone deserves to be an everyday adventurer.
We've got the suppliers lined up, and now we need your help to fund tooling and inventory costs.
So let us skate your butt to the beach so you can enjoy the waves without the headaches.
So back us now and share our project to help bring NIMBL to the world.
Get NIMBL today. Like what you see? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I mean, it's a folding surfboard. It's pretty dang cool. Am I right? Yeah, you want a piece of this? Get NIMBL. It's fantastic. Hey, they're not gonna hold me forever. You guys gotta help us out. Come on. Don't you like folding surfboards that are functional, aesthetic? Bring in whoever you want to attract in your life? Or you can go solo if you're one of those introverts. We accept you for who you are. Just get one of these NIMBLs, it'll make your life better, I promise. Pinky promise. Hey, eyes up here. I mean, down there, actually, with the link. Click the link, man, come on. Are you with us?